How to do anonymous question on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can conduct an anonymous story poll on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you want to do the anonymous questions, such as you want your followers and the viewers of your story to ask you questions anonymously. One way to do it is on your Instagram bio, but you can also do it on your Instagram story. So I will show you how you can do that. Now Instagram app itself does not have the specific kind of feature, so instead you need the help of a third-party application, which is basically called NGL. I'll make sure to drop the name of this application down in the description box as well, so you can see NGL Anonymous Q&A. You can simply download this application and then open it. It is available for absolutely free on both iOS and Android App Store. Once you do that, just tap on the Get Started option and then make sure to enter your Instagram username over here. Once you enter your Instagram handle, just tap on the Done button, and as you tap on the Done button, it will ask you for some type of questions, so we're going to simply be aware of that one over here. So now over here you can see it will ask us to copy the link. Now we'll just tap on the copy link option. Now once we've copied the link, what we will do is we'll just go ahead and then open Instagram. If you want to add the anonymous question to your story, you can just go ahead and then create a simple story by selecting a specific photo. So let me choose a photo, tap the sticker icon from the top right, and then here you just want to select the link option over here. Once you tap on the link option, paste the link that we copied, tap on Done, and when your followers and viewers tap on this link, they will be able to ask you an anonymous question. The other way to do it is, if you're on your profile page and then you want to add it to your bio, tap on Edit Profile, tap on the Add Link option, tap External Link, and then here make sure to simply enter the title of the link and then the URL as well. Just paste it inside of it, and once you've done that, people who also view your profile and bio will be able to go ahead and ask you anonymous questions. And this is how you can do and ask anonymous questions on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.